You're welcome to our lesson number 4 in web design. Today's lesson, I want us to look at how to deal with tables. How do we insert tables using Expression Web? So, when you look at our question here, page 4 should show a table showing imaginary names of different employees of the university. The table should show names, qualifications, and the position. So that's the only part we are concentrating on in our today's lesson. So let's look at that page. We have our page here, employee page. So double click on it to open. Then we start straight away. We can under headline 2 we can put there employees. Then under the content here is where we are going to insert our table. Now, based on our question, they want the table to have names, qualification, and positions. That means that we are going to have 3 columns with many rows. For this demonstration, we are going to have 3 columns plus only some 4 to 5 names of the employees. So click that position where you want the table to be. Then you come and click on table tab. So we have it here. Then insert table. So specify the number of rows and columns. So columns, I said they are going to be 3 because there is a name, qualification, and the other one. Then rows, you can have 5 or 6, and you say okay. So after that, we are going now. We need to begin typing in our text. So the first one is name of the employees. The next one here, we are going to have a qualification. Is it qualification? Yes, qualifications and position. Qualifications. Then the last one here we shall have position. Then this table you can also play around with the way you play around with the one of word by either by resizing the column with it. Okay, so the first person here, the first name here, we can have colon sum. Then qualification is PhD. Then position, you can have vice chancellor. Vice chancellor. Chancellor, if that is the spelling. The next person we may have then masters, university secretary, we may have Opolot James, also having masters, is a lecturer. We have Theo James, also has master. is a university bursar. And lastly, we have another person called the Oyoyo James. Masters, and is academic registrar. So we are done with all. Now maybe what we are left with, when you look at our table, it's lacking borders, so we need to apply the borders. So simply just select, then you right click, or you can come back to the table, then you have modify the table. There is merge cells, there is split cells, table auto format, distribute rows, so everything is there. So let me right click on it and I go to cell properties here. Then under cell properties we have borders. We can apply one, then color also. We are going to apply black. You can apply any color of your choice. So when you say OK, so you can now see our table. It looks very nice. It has borders and even the colors of those borders. So you can do a lot with the table. What we can do with the table in other programs can also be done in the expression web. So since we are done with that, so I think maybe let us also add but you know how to add the images now. So you save and you can close your page. So we are done with what we are supposed to look at today. That's working with the tables in expression web. Thank you so much. Let's meet in the next lesson.